और गाइस मैं अभी पहुंच गया हूँ one of the biggest event for Pride Festival here.
We're going to Lauren Park to celebrate Gay Pride. It's once a year.
She's so beautiful.
Check the dolls. Happy Pride.
Happy Pride, everybody.
Wow.
Happy Pride.
I mean, it all started in Stonewall.
ये सब लोग जो है ना उधर ही जा रहे हैं. She is dressed beautifully.
Like and subscribe.
Hello. Happy Pride.
Happy Pride.
Thank you. ये देखें अब इस तरह से जोड़े बन के जाते हैं.
Hi, happy Pride to everybody. It's great to
Yes.
meet you.
You too. Thank you.
Would you like to see the fit? I'll do the fit again. I love this
Yes.
outfit. Okay.
Yes. Wow. You look beautiful.
Thank you. Non-alcoholic.
Yes.
Everybody drink THC. You're gonna have to
wow.
light that up.
Yes. Wow. ये देखें जी. ये सब लोग जो है ना उधर ही जा रहे हैं. प्राइड की तरफ. मैं मौजूद हूँ अभी जाने के लिए लॉरिंग पार्क जहाँ पे प्राइड फेस्टिवल के लिए और यहाँ पे देखें ये कितना. हेलो यू लुक ब्यूटीफुल.
Morning.
या मॉर्निंग. व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से अबाउट द प्राइड?
I'm excited. It's once a year. I'm Crystal. I'm your Minnesota Galaxy.
Oh wow, and I can see Minnesota Galaxy.
Correct.
Wow.
you
And
guys-
what's your name again?
I'm Crystal.
Okay, this is my channel America with Stephen for cultural diversity and showing all the beautiful events in America
Oh,
to
awesome.
the world.
Well, Minnesota is the second largest for Pride.
Yes.
And then New York is number one. So we're proud to be here.
Yes. Are we having a big crowd there at Loring Park?
Oh, it'd be huge.
Yes.
Yes,
And
all
tomorrow would
weekend.
be the parade.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Thank
Supposed to
you.
rain tomorrow, so fingers crossed.
Oh, okay. So that's where people might be coming
Today.
today. Yeah. Wow. अब देखें जी ये बता रही हैं कि शायद कल रेन भी हो जाए तो हम जा रहे हैं अभी लॉरिंग पार्क की तरफ क्योंकि यहाँ से तकरीबन थोड़ी ही दूर है. देखिए ये कितना प्यारा यहाँ पे मौसम हुआ है. कल बारिश एक्सपेक्टेड है और लोग यहाँ पे जा रहे हैं लॉरिंग पार्क की तरफ. मैं इनसे पूछता हूँ व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से मोर अबाउट प्राइड? यू कैन हैव द माइक. आई हैव माइक.
Well, thank you. Pride is a huge event in Minnesota. Once a year, it's a full weekend of events. Everybody comes together, and it's a great time. It's just not in Lauren Park. There's a lot more in downtown Minneapolis. There's the parade. There's rides. There's concerts. You can meet and greet individual people. But I love Lauren Park because I think you get everything, and all the vendors bring all their crafts. You can buy a lot of stuff, and it's also great food.
yes.
So hoping to get some good my breakfast there. But it'd be a great day. And the
Yeah.
weather's turned out beautifully.
Yes, and once more about your.
Oh, I am Crystal Shapi. I'm your Ms. Galaxy Minnesota. And I will be competing in the Bahamas in August 8th.
August 8th. Okay. And when was the last competition that you had?
The last competition I've had, I did Galaxy again, and I was your North America then.
Oh wow.
So I'm going back. Hopefully bring
Yes.
home the big title to the Midwest.
Yes.
Yeah.
That would be awesome. What are you going to have for your breakfast?
I really hope they
Tough
have really
question.
the big Cinnabons, the sticky buns.
Okay.
I think I had those a couple years ago. I hope they have them back.
Okay. And what do you suggest me? I like some spicy food. Do they have something like that?
Oh, I'm sure there's a lot of Cajun chicken stuff here. If you like
Oh.
the spicy stuff.
Yes.
There's always something for everyone.
And how far are we from the Loring Park?
A couple blocks, I think. Yeah, because there's an
Okay.
individual can bring us to where we need to go.
Oh yes.
Yep.
Wow, देखें जी, she's so beautiful and we both are going to Loring Park.
This is America with Stephen. We're going to Lauren Park to celebrate Gay Pride. It's once a year. This is a great event from Minnesota, and we're proud to be here in this wonderful weather.
Yes, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye. और guys, मैं अभी पहुंच गया हूँ यहाँ पे. देखें रौनकें लगी हुई हैं, रश लगा हुआ है. Yeah, thank you once again. Yes, you can see Minnesota Galaxy.
Yep.
Yes. So when was the last time
I was here last year. I went to the parade last year.
Okay, thank you. So nice. Have a good one.
You too.
Bye bye. Happy Pride. वाओ, यहाँ पे देखें इन्होंने ज्वेलरी की कलेक्शन कितनी ज़बरदस्त रखी हुई है. हेलो. सो मैं इनसे पूछता हूँ. हेलो. Hi. What would you like to say about the beautiful collection of jewelry?
Hey everyone! Yeah, I got a charm bar out here. You can design your own jewelry, just like this one right here.
Yes.
Yeah, so come and create your own.
Nice, nice. So, do you have different people to do this, or are you doing it?
It's just me.
Oh,
Just me. I'm back here assembling all by myself. So,
Wow.
yeah.
So yes, अकेली ही सारा कुछ बना रही हैं. Please tell more about it.
Hey everyone, my name is Shannon. I'm here. This is my business, Charmed by Shannon. I run a charm bar, so I have over 100 different charms available for everyone. What you do is you kind of pick out what you want. Bracelets are for sure the most popular. Choose your chain, and I'll give you a tray, and you can try to pick out which charms you want. Hand it to me, and I'll assemble it and make it into a bracelet or whatever it is you want. It's really
Wow.
fun. Lots of things to choose from. Happy Pride.
Thank you.
Like and subscribe, America.
With Stephen.
With Stefan.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Oh, you are dressed beautifully. Wow. Wow. Let me just. Oh, wow. Look at this. What would you like to say about the Pride?
It's really fun to be here.
So cute.
Yeah.
I love going every year.
Okay.
It's so fun and we get a lot of free stuff in it. I like going here.
Yes, and what do you say?
It's my first time here, but it's really fun.
Okay. Happy Pride! Like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much. वाओ, यहाँ पे और भी देखें जी कितनी खूबसूरत कलेक्शन इन्होंने रखी हुई है स्टोन्स की. ब्यूटीफुल. यस. वाओ, यहाँ पे देखें जी ये. हेलो.
Hello, hello. Happy Pride.
Yes, and what would you like to say?
Happy Pride.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well. Thank you.
अब जी देखते हैं और भी यहाँ पे खूब रश लगा हुआ है. Full gathering people gathered और ये चल रहा है म्यूजिक यहाँ पे. वाओ, देखिए. Hello, enjoying your chair?
Oh yes, Happy Pride, everybody.
Yes. What are you drinking?
Love everybody. This is a smoothie, strawberry banana smoothie.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. देखें जी अब मैं यहाँ पे. Hello.
Welcome.
Would you like
Welcome and you are loved. Mom hugs. High five.
Thank you for being here today. Happy Pride.
High five.
Happy Pride.
Happy Pride.
Beautiful. Happy Pride.
Hey, happy Pride.
to?
Glad you're here. We're proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you. देखें जी ये सब जो है ना वो वेलकम कर रहे हैं हैप्पी प्राइड पे. मुख्तलिफ लोग यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हैं और खूब जश्न का समा बना हुआ है. वाओ, यहाँ पे देखें स्टोन्स की कलेक्शन और यहाँ पे बहुत खूबसूरत खूबसूरत लोग खड़े हुए हैं. इनसे पूछते हैं. हेलो. ये
Hi, happy Pride. I am Kaya. I'm from Appleton, so I traveled like 5 hours to get over here just to be queer with everyone else, and I'm excited. Are you excited?
yes, I am.
Yeah. Where did you come from?
I'm from Maiden Prairie, the suburb area of Minneapolis.
Okay, period. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
yeah. Okay.
And your name again?
I'm Kaya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What are you giving? Pay for 3 and 2 for. Okay. देखिए जी यहाँ पे ये भी.
Everybody, come check out US Bank. We got the Pride debit cards, and then we got the flyers for multiple credit cards for your options.
Thank you. वाह, देखें जी अब यहाँ पे ये देखें. वाह, यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स बन रही हैं. ओह वाह, ये देखें जी कितना खूबसूरत है. हेलो. अब लोग यहाँ पे इसके साथ पिक्चर बनाने के लिए खड़े हुए हैं और खूब रश लगा हुआ है यहाँ पे. अच्छा, यहाँ पे ना ये भी आपको बता दूँ कि LBGTQ जो कम्युनिटी है ना यहाँ पे, जैसे ग्रे और जो ट्रांसजेंडर हैं, वो सब यहाँ पे इकट्ठे होते हैं। ये देखिए, वाओ, दिस इज़ ब्यूटीफुल। दे आर वेयरिंग ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेसेस। हेलो। अब यहाँ पे मस्जिद भी जो है ना वो बड़ी, मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे अच्छा मैं आपको ये भी बता दूँ, ये प्राइड परेड जो है ना, ये असल में यहाँ पे मुख्तलिफ़ लोग जो है ना वो मुख्तलिफ़ कॉस्ट्यूम्स में हैं। और यहाँ पे देखें, वाह, इस तरफ देखें और मैं देखने की कोशिश करता हूँ। हेलो, ब्यूटीफुल कॉस्ट्यूम। ये देखो जी, ये क्या है? ओह, ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस। यस, वाओ, this is nice. Thank you. See you from Florida. Wow. Doesn't speak but beautiful. Hello. ये देखें जी, यहाँ पे भी, oh, Happy Pride. What would you like to say? Like, what have you? Yes.
What are we doing? What I just said? Happy Pride!
Yes, thank you.
Happy Pride!
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, of course.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Wow. देखें जी, मैं पहुंच गया हूँ प्राइड फेस्टिवल पे और मैंने सोचा था कि पहले मैं जाऊंगा लाइव, बट ड्यू टू सम इश्यूज आई हैव स्टार्टेड गोइंग लाइक दिस। वाओ, देखें जी, गैदरिंग, बड़ा क्राउड है यहाँ पे। अब मैं उस तरफ जाता हूँ ताकि ये है कि इनसे भी पूछते हैं कि ये क्या कहते हैं। आओ, वाओ, यहाँ पे देखते हैं। हेलो, हैप्पी प्राइड।
Happy Pride.
Great day, lots of good people, lots of vendors and support. So yeah, it's a great day out here today.
Yes, and did you have something to eat?
Not yet. We just had coffee this morning.
Yes.
So
What would you like to say?
I agree, everything he agrees with. I think it's fun. We haven't been here super long yet, so we haven't been able to like walk around a lot yet.
Okay. What would you like to say, and what's your name?
My name is Ori. Be gay, do crimes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And would you like to tell about the Pride Festival? Like, I just want everyone, let everyone know, especially in Pakistan, India, and around the world, that what is this festival about. And I know that the gay community, the lesbian, and every bisexual, they all come to this parade or to the Pride Festival. What would you like to say?
I mean, it all started in Stonewall. I forget what year that happened, but it's somebody threw a brick at a cop, and this is what happened.
Okay.
Because the cops were harassing the queer people, and they didn't stand. We don't stand for that. That's why there's no cops here. If you look around, there's only security.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You are doing great.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
और यहाँ पे भी देखें, what are you eating? Happy Pride.
A full-on corn dog.
Yes.
One bite.
Yes. And what are you eating?
Also a corn dog.
Corn dog. Yes. See the French fries. I know that. Wow.
So good.
Yes.
Mine was a corn dog.
Yeah. वाओ, अब यहाँ पे देखें, वाओ, ये देखो जी, ये क्या है? वाओ वाओ वाओ, ये हैप्पी प्राइड।
Oh, happy Pride!
ये, थैंक यू। You too, thank you. Yes, yes. चले जी, अब इधर भी जाते हैं। हेलो, हैप्पी प्राइड। Any message that you would like to deliver?
Check the dolls. Happy Pride.
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Charlie.
Wow. Nice. Thank you. And what would you like to say? You can have the mic.
Happy Pride. Happy
Yes. Thank you. अब देखें जी, what is this festival for? Like, if a lay person who doesn't know about this, what would you like to say?
It's about celebrating different identities, coming together, trans rights and queer rights in general are under attack.
It's being true to who you are.
Yes, equality.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Like and subscribe.
ये थैंक यू थैंक यू। कितने खुश होके फिर रहे हैं यहाँ पे। बाइसेक्सुअल हैं, लेस्बियन हैं, ट्रांसजेंडर हैं और किसी किस्म की कोई किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। और वाह देखें अब यहाँ पे चल रहा है फेस्टिवल गेम्स, एवरीवन इज एंजॉयिंग, किसी को कोई एतराज़ नहीं है। हेलो, अब मैं यहाँ पे कवर कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे दिखाना है कि यहाँ पे प्राइड फेस्टिवल में क्या चल रहा है। तो गाइज़ यहाँ पे जैसे कि वो मैसेज दे रहे हैं कि हर किसी के लिए इस फेस्टिवल में ख़ास तौर पर जो ट्रांसजेंडर हैं, लेस्बियन हैं, गे हैं, अब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा तफसील तो नहीं बताना चाह रहा, लेकिन ये है कि ये जो इवेंट है ये सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए यहाँ पे लॉरिंग पार्क में सारी जो LGBTQ कम्युनिटी है वो इकट्ठी हुई है और जिधर जिधर भी नज़र दौड़ाएंगे आपको यहाँ पे लोग नज़र आएंगे। ये देखें, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल। हेलो, हैप्पी प्राइड।
Happy Pride.
Oh, awesome.
Yes. Oh, I thought it is real. Wow. Yes. Hello again. चलें जी, अब दूसरी तरफ चलते हैं और देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे और मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ लोग यहाँ पे मुख्तलिफ़ जगहों से आए हुए हैं और यहाँ पे देखें हैप्पी प्राइड। What would you like to say for a lay person to understand what is this festival for?
This is for everyone to feel welcome and loved, and that there are people out here who understand you and love you.
Yes, and the equality.
Just that everyone here is loved, and even if you're not here, you're still loved, and just be you.
Happy Pride.
Yes. तो जो यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं गेमें खेल रहे हैं, गेम्स चल रही हैं, लोग यहाँ पे देखें, ये है यहाँ पे लॉरिंग लेक और उसके किनारे लगा हुआ है रश लोगों का। ओके, ये देखिए मुख्तलिफ जिस तरफ भी नज़र दौड़ाएंगे उसी तरफ आपको आवाम नज़र आएगी जो कि हैं यहाँ पे या तो ट्रांसजेंडर, बाइसेक्सुअल, गे या लेस्बियन। तो देखें, इन लोगों के लिए ख़ास तौर पर एक फ़ेस्टिवल जो है ना वो मनाया जा रहा है। वाह, ये देखें जी, यहाँ पे ब्यूटीफुल डॉग्स भी हैं और लोग अपने पेट को भी लेके आए हुए हैं। वाह, ये देखें कितने खूबसूरत हैं ये। हेलो, तो मैं अब आपको दिखाता हूँ, वो देखें कितनी बड़ी डक है मेरे पीछे। अच्छा, यहाँ इस तरह से रेस्टरूम बनाए होते हैं लोगों के लिए जो कि यहाँ पे फेस्टिवल अटेंड करने के लिए आते हैं। अब ये देखें कितनी बड़ी डक है और लोग यहाँ पे जिधर जिधर नज़र दौड़ाएं वहाँ तक जो है ना वो लाइनें लगी हुई हैं। अब ये भी देखें, हैप्पी प्राइड। What would you like to say, a message that you would like to give to people who don't know about the Pride Festival?
It's a beautiful thing for everyone to come join and just feel so themselves, and everyone should do it. It shouldn't just be one day.
Insane, I would say.
Yeah.
Just, like everybody's in like good spirits.
Yeah,
Okay.
for sure.
It's a good time.
Yeah.
Yes.
It shouldn't just be one day. It should be all year round. Everyone should feel like that.
And it's all about equality.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Bye bye. देखें, सब जो है ना वो बड़े खुश होके बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे और मैं मुख्तलिफ लोगों के पास जा रहा हूँ। वाओ, यहाँ पे देखें, हेलो, हैप्पी प्राइड।
Hi.
Would you like to say something?
I love gay people.
Yeah.
I love gay people. And I'm gay.
Oh wow, yeah. See how beautifully and with the proud they are telling that's the equality. Yes, yes. You can easily, you can. Yes, thank you. देखें, जो अब यहाँ पे गे हैं या यानी कि वो लोग जो कि ट्रांसजेंडर हैं वो अपने आप को यहाँ पे बड़ी खुशी से इंट्रोड्यूस करवा रहे हैं और आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा। यहाँ पे देखें, हेलो, हैप्पी प्राइड।
Happy Pride.
What would you like to say about the Pride Festival?
Oh, it's awesome. I come every year that I can.
Yes, and in simple words for the lay person to understand the festival about. Like this is the, I was telling the viewers that this is for the LGBTQ plus
yeah.
for the
Community.
people who are gay, who are bisexual, equality for everyone.
Yes.
Would you like to add something?
Everything she said.
Okay,
Yes,
ditto,
everything she
ditto.
said. Ditto,
Yes.
yes. Alrighty,
Thank you,
yes,
thank
happy
you.
Pride.
You too. Bye bye. What would you like to say about the Pride Festival?
Oh, there's a lot of people here. A lot of people.
Yes, and the best part that you like most.
I like all of the cool stuff they have around.
Yes, and yes. What would you like to say?
Yeah.
Yes.
There's a lot of local businesses and local artists that are here also, which is really fun. So I love to see all the art that people make, and I love to see everyone's outfits. It's amazing.
Yes, and about the LGBTQ community, what would you like to say?
I support you all. You're all wonderful and you're all valid. We love you.
Yes. Oh wow, यहाँ पे देखें अब ये स्पिन करते जा रहे हैं और मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ should I also try one?
You can
Yes,
spin it.
yes. So
Thank you.
yes.
Of course, you're
So but I will have to wait in the line because people are already waiting there for. Hello. Happy Pride.
Happy Pride.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I just quickly sing? Yes. Hello. ये देखिए लोग जो है ना यहाँ पे गेम्स खेल रहे हैं और रश जो है ना वो अभी बढ़ता चला जा रहा है। मगर ये है कि मैं भी ये देखें कितने खूबसूरत, ये देखें, वाओ, हेलो,
Happy Pride.
रश लगा हुआ है और लोगों का क्या बने वाओ, अभी मैं भी ट्राई करने लगा हूँ जी यहाँ पे। हेलो, देखते हैं जी कौन से मिलते हैं नेल्स। वाओ, मैं लूँगा। अब मैं भी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, देखते हैं। वाओ, हेलो,
Give it a spin.
yes, I'll take nails for my daughter.
Nails for your daughter?
Yes,
Which one do you think she'd like?
both.
These?
Yes, thank you.
Of course.
Thank you, thank you. Have a good day. ये देखें जी, अब मैं आ गया हूँ यहाँ पे और निकल रहा हूँ। यहाँ पे चल रही है बहुत ज़बरदस्त गेम। अब इनसे पूछते हैं कि ये क्या कहती हैं परेड के बारे में। हेलो, हैप्पी प्राइड। व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से अबाउट द प्राइड परेड?
Love is love.
Yes, and you?
I don't know. Everybody be happy. Don't be mean to other people.
Okay, thank you. तो जी यहाँ पे लॉरिंग पार्क में आज बहुत लोगों से मुलाकात हुई और मैंने देखा कि कितना इंडिपेंडेंटली यहाँ पे अपना जो है ना सब ड्रेस्ड अप हैं और इजहार कर रहे हैं। और ये भी देखें, देखिए कितने प्यारे प्यारे ड्रेसेस हैं। ये देखिए, हैप्पी प्राइड। What would you like to say? Just couple words about the Pride Parade.
Wishing everyone a safe Pride.
Okay, thank you. Wow, she is dressed beautifully. ये भी देखें, हेलो, हैप्पी प्राइड।
Happy Pride.
थैंक यू। Wow. What would you like to say?
PK.
Yes. Thank you.
Be proud of who you are.
So, this is the festival that I was showing you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe America with Stephen. Thank you. Bye bye.